We offer a full, complete grouting service for any sewer joints, any leakages in joints. We pressure test them, provide grouting for all the joints.
We grout mains and we grout the laterals. If there's groundwater leaking through the joints, we'll come in with our grout packer and seal the joints off. And then with the laterals, there's infiltration. If it's coming in through the laterals, we have a special packer that will shoot a sock up and grout the joints up the lateral. Stops groundwater from getting into the system, which the town has to treat all that groundwater, so it saves the town money. Any groundwater you can stop from getting into the system is going to save the town money.
We do complete manhole rehabilitation, epoxy line, cement line.
If we come across manholes that are leaking, that they called out just for a corbel repair, and 9 times out of 10 they'll say yes, rehab the whole manhole, because it wouldn't make sense just to repair the corbel if there's other issues with the manhole. But we've done 40-foot depth manholes, go pretty deep. If they're leaking water, we'll pump grout. We call it it's called curtain grouting. We drill a bunch of holes around the manhole and into the invert in the bench, pump grout into the walls, which seals out the groundwater from coming in, and then we'll cement line the manhole, because many of them are brick and the bricks are falling out and they're deteriorating. So basically the manhole comes out like new. We haven't come across a situation where we weren't able to solve a city or a town's issue.